Dream project of Kashi Vishwanath corridor has been quite challenging. Managing the crowd and the topography was not an easy task amid COVID protocols as well. And yet the inspiration of Prime Minister Narendra Modi kept us going. This is what the chairman and managing director of PSP Projects has said. Listen to him.
The development of Kashi Vishwanath Dham corridor has been the dream project of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And I have with me Prahlad Bhai Patel, the man who is responsible for realizing the dream of the Prime Minister. He is the chairman and managing director of the PSP company that has done this project. Let's talk to him and find out. Mr. Patel, first of all, how challenging was it for you? Because today it looks a complete different picture.
See, this project from the first day the order was given in January 2020, that the challenge started from that day only. If you see the location of this mandir, it is in the heart of the city where the transportation is not possible. So we were allowed to bring the materials in the night time only when the temple is closed. If you see on Mondays, it is 1 to 1.5 lakhs of pilgrims people are coming, and in general days it is mostly 30 to 50,000. So this crowd maintaining the material logistic was not possible, so we were allowed to bring the material in night time only. Secondly, the whole corridor, if you see, it is spread between from Mandir to Ghat, it is 350 meter, which keeps us a space of only 4.5 to 6 meter continuous road. And the terrain, if you see the level of the temple and the level of the river, it is almost 25 meter difference. So working on this terrain with the different, with a tight logistic and keeping the materials on time, maintaining the timeline. At the same time, there were two corona hits. First was in when I got order in January. First hit was in March 2020, and the second hit which affected UP more, which was in UP March 2021. But still, we were not given any more extension, and though the timeline given for the project is 18 months, we are going to complete this project in 21 months.
So what was the inspiration that kept you going? Was it the Prime Minister himself?
Yes, see, dreaming about this project itself is a big challenge. See, if you want to have a land nearby your house, it is very difficult. Now you are going to convince people in the city to give the land for the temple. It was a big deal. And this dream, to make it success, if this could have been dreamed by him, then I think the challenge, any challenge in construction can be taken care of rather than challenges to be faced with the people.
So one last question. Today, when the project is complete, what do you have to say?
See, I really feel proud to be a part of this project, and we really feel more proud about saying that this project we are completing the total work. When we started off, we thought that this project has to be completed in December. It was I think July when I did about 160 crore, and now I'm going to complete almost 350 crore. So almost 200 crore of work we have done in four and a half months.
One last question. How much manpower was put in for this project?
So on an average, it was about 2,500 to 3,000, including my staff of about 250 people, right from mechanic to my project manager.
So there you heard from the chairman, it was a dream project which has been realized today. With camera person Jayashri and Kamlesh in Varanasi, this is Vishal Baristo for DD India.